Just sitting on like bombs.
They're massive, aren't they? Oh!
Just see them landing in the water.
Oh!
Look at the size of them.
Oh, Jesus.
I can feel the van moving. Oh, I'm glad we're not facing the other way. See them landing in the water, like somebody throwing rocks.
When are we going along on the motorway doing 70 miles an hour? Are they coming now again? Oh gosh!
They're huge. Landing in the water.
God! Look at them!
Oh my God. The windscreen's going to go in a minute. Look at the size of them.
Flip it!
It's got a stop that doors in that. It's going to crack the glass. Where did that light go out?
I don't know. No, it's... Oh, yes,
Can't believe the size of them ice. Look at the size of that ice. You don't kill you. Can't believe the size of that.